Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. Have you ever thought about taking your business to new places, reaching customers all around the world? Well, you're not alone. Many wonder how some businesses become global giants while others struggle. Today, we're unveiling a special opportunity that could completely change your business journey. Are you excited? Let's explore together. Imagine taking your business across borders, tapping into global potential. Ever wondered how some businesses conquer the world while others struggle? Well, today, we are about to unveil a game-changing opportunity that could transform your business journey. Are you ready? Picture this. Yes you, steering your business toward global success. Brace yourself for a journey that'll reshape your business destiny. In a world where e-commerce and globalization intertwine, the horizon isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Get ready to plunge into uncharted waters, where growth knows no boundaries. And here's the way forward in the Expanding into Global Markets course. Presented by the World Trade Center Shamshabad and guided by global expert Matthew Clark of Pangea Consulting. This workshop is your guide to confidently expanding abroad. Learn how to explore foreign markets, overcome hurdles, and craft a solid plan for success. Whether you're a startup or a big player, this is tailored to work for all. But wait, there's more. Gain the tools to tackle international business challenges like a seasoned pro. And let's talk about the secret weapon of global success: adaptation. Learn to navigate different markets, from understanding cultures to speaking their language. Don't let this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity slip through your fingers. Seize the chance to learn, adapt, and conquer global markets. Ready to take the leap? Register now through the link below and unlock the doors to global expansion. Remember, the path to global success isn't just a possibility, it's a reality waiting for you to seize it. Your journey starts now. The world is vast and your business has boundless potential.